Welcome to the Great North Gardener. We're absolutely thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey into the world of gardening. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting to dip your toes into the soil, we've got something special in store for you today. I'm Albert, your friendly guide to all things green and growing. My own gardening adventure began humbly, with a single pot on a windowsill. It was a tiny little herb, but it sparked something big. And now I'm completely hooked on the joy and satisfaction of growing my own food, from seed to table. There's nothing quite like the taste of a homegrown tomato, still warm from the sun. If you're new to gardening, or perhaps a little intimidated by the whole process, don't worry one bit. Today I'll be sharing some secrets and tips to help you get started, focusing on the fastest veggies to grow. We're talking about vegetables that practically jump out of the ground. These are the champions of speed, perfect for instant results and keeping your gardening enthusiasm high. Whether you have a big garden with plenty of space to spread out, a cozy balcony where you can create a little green oasis, or just a sunny windowsill that's begging for a bit of greenery, you absolutely can do this. Gardening is for everyone, regardless of space or experience. We'll cover 10 speedy vegetables, each with its own unique charm and growing requirements. These are all perfect for beginners who are just starting out, and ideal for those with limited space. No complicated jargon, no unnecessary fuss, just simple, practical advice that you can put into action right away. We'll break down each step, making it easy and enjoyable. So grab a cuppa, whether it's tea, coffee, or your favorite beverage, and a notepad to jot down some notes and ideas as we go along. And let's get our hands dirty and dive into the wonderful world of fast-growing vegetables. Let's jump right in and get growing. Let's talk about speed in the garden. When you're eager to see results, some plants deliver faster than others. First up, the radish, a true speedster. From tiny seed to crunchy, peppery delight in record time, radishes are the sprinters of the vegetable world. They practically leap out of the ground. Some varieties, like Cherry Bell, go from seed to harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. That's right, less than a month. Imagine planting a seed and enjoying fresh homegrown radishes on your plate before you know it. It's gardening gratification at its finest. Radishes are perfect for impatient gardeners, or for anyone who wants a quick win in the garden. They're incredibly rewarding because you see results so quickly. Just sow the seeds half an inch deep, directly into the soil. No need to start them indoors. Keep them watered, especially when they're first getting established, and they'll pretty much take care of themselves. Consistent moisture is key to plump, juicy radishes. They don't need much space. Grow them in garden beds alongside other vegetables. Window boxes, bringing a touch of the garden to your windowsill, or pots at least 6 inches deep. This makes them ideal for balconies, patios, or any small space gardening situation. Radishes love cool weather, thriving in temperatures between 50 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. So plant in spring or autumn, avoiding the intense heat of summer. For a steady supply, sow a few seeds every week or two. This is called succession planting. It ensures you'll have a continuous harvest of fresh radishes throughout the growing season. That way, you'll always have fresh radishes for your salads, or for snacking, adding a spicy kick to sandwiches, or even pickling for a tangy treat. Quick, easy, and confidence boosting. Give them a try. They're a fantastic way to get started with gardening, especially if you're a beginner. You'll be amazed at how fast you can harvest and how much flavor is packed into these little root vegetables. So get planting and enjoy the speedy rewards. Next, lettuce. Forget bland supermarket varieties. Grow loose leaf types for flavor and speed. Harvest baby greens in just 3 to 4 weeks using the cut and come again method. Perfect for containers or windowsills. Just sprinkle seeds on compost, cover lightly, and keep moist. Lettuce tolerates partial shade and comes in a rainbow of shapes and colors. Mix different varieties for a gourmet salad bar at home. Snip what you need, and the plant keeps producing. It's easy, fast, and saves you money. Fresh, delicious greens right at your doorstep. Lettuce is a must-try for every new gardener. Spinach, often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, is a true superfood. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it an excellent addition to any diet. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin, the benefits of spinach are truly remarkable. What's even better is that this leafy green grows incredibly fast. You can expect to harvest baby leaves in just 4 to 6 weeks after planting. This rapid growth makes it a rewarding crop for gardeners of all levels, providing a continuous supply of fresh greens. Spinach thrives in cool weather conditions, making it an ideal crop for spring and fall gardens. It prefers temperatures between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, so avoid planting during the hottest months of summer. To get a head start, plant your spinach seeds in early spring as soon as the soil can be worked, or wait until late summer for a full harvest. This timing allows the plants to mature before the extremes of summer heat or winter frost set in. To maximize your harvest, use the cut and come again method. This technique involves selectively harvesting the outer leaves while leaving the inner ones intact. Simply snip off the larger, more mature outer leaves as needed, allowing the younger inner leaves to continue growing and providing you with a continuous supply of fresh spinach. When planting, sow seeds about half an inch deep in well-draining soil. It's crucial to keep the soil consistently moist, especially during germination and early growth stages. For the best results, enrich the soil with compost or other organic matter before planting. This will provide the spinach plants with the nutrients they need to thrive and produce abundant, flavorful leaves. If you're short on space, don't worry. Spinach grows exceptionally well in containers, making it a great option for balconies, patios, or even windowsills. Just make sure the container is at least 6 inches deep to accommodate the roots. Freshly harvested spinach is incredibly versatile. Its flavor is sweet and slightly earthy, and the leaves are wonderfully tender. This makes it perfect for enjoying raw in salads, smoothies, or as a nutritious addition to cooked dishes like stir-fries, soups, and omelets. Growing spinach is not only efficient and healthy, but also surprisingly easy. With just a little care and attention, you can enjoy a continuous supply of fresh, homegrown greens. Whether you have a sprawling garden or just a small balcony, a pot of spinach is a must-have for any home gardener looking to add a touch of freshness and nutrition to their lives. Arugula, or rocket, brings a peppery kick to your salads and grows at lightning speed. Baby leaves in 3 weeks. Sprinkle seeds in pots or garden beds, water, and watch them flourish. Rocket thrives in cool weather and partial shade. Pick young leaves for the best flavor. Older leaves get spicier. Sow new seeds every couple of weeks for a constant supply. It's perfect for containers and small spaces. Add rocket to pizzas, pastas, or salads for a gourmet touch. Simple, speedy, and full of flavor. Green onions, or scallions, are quick to grow harvest in about 3 weeks, and they regrow after cutting. Sow seeds in pots or garden beds, or regrow supermarket onions by placing the white roots in water. Once roots grow, plant them in soil for endless harvests. Snip the green tops, leave the base, and they'll regrow again and again, perfect for any space, even a windowsill. Fresh green onions are great for topping dishes and add a burst of flavor. They're sustainable, zero waste, and super easy, a staple for every kitchen gardener. Want carrots fast? Try baby carrot varieties like Paris Market or Amsterdam Forcing, ready in 50, 60 days. These small carrots are perfect for containers or shallow beds. Sow seeds in light, stone-free compost, keep moist, and thin seedlings for best results. Harvest when small and sweet, freshly pulled carrots are unbeatable. No need for deep soil or a big garden. Baby carrots are a quick, satisfying crop for beginners. Pure joy in every crunchy bite. Bok choy, or pak choy, is a fast-growing Asian green baby. Varieties are ready in just 30 days. Sow seeds in pots or beds, keep soil moist, and thin seedlings for space. Bok choy thrives in cool weather and is perfect for containers. Harvest whole heads or just outer leaves for continuous growth. It's versatile, great in stir-fries, soups, or steamed. Plant in late summer for autumn harvests. Easy, quick, and adds new flavors to your meals. Try bok choy for something different and delicious. Pea shoots are a chef's secret. Tender, sweet, and ready in just 2 to 3 weeks. Soak dried peas overnight, scatter densely in a tray of compost, cover lightly, and keep moist. Place on a sunny windowsill and watch them sprout fast. Snip shoots when 3-4 inches tall. They'll often regrow for a second harvest. No garden needed, just a tray or pot. Add pea shoots to salads, sandwiches, or as a garnish. Fast, cheap, and feels fancy. The easiest way to grow gourmet greens at home. Swiss chard is beautiful, productive, and fast. Baby leaves in 30-40 days, and it keeps producing for months. Bright Lights variety adds color to your garden or containers. Sow seeds half an inch deep, thin seedlings, and keep soil rich and moist. Harvest outer leaves, leave the center to regrow. Chard tolerates heat better than spinach and is great for summer. Use leaves like spinach and stems like celery. 2 veggies in 1, delicious and decorative. Swiss chard is a must for a vibrant, long-lasting harvest. Mustard greens bring a spicy kick and grow super fast, baby leaves in 3 weeks. Sow seeds in pots or beds, cover lightly, and keep moist. Harvest young for mild flavor, or let them grow for a bolder taste. Grate in salads or wilted with garlic for a spicy twist. Sow every couple of weeks for a steady supply. Perfect for containers and small spaces. Fast, flavorful, and easy to grow. That's it. 10 super fast veggies you can grow anywhere, anytime. Quick wins like radishes, lettuce, and pea shoots make gardening fun and rewarding. Don't worry about mistakes. Just plant, experiment, and enjoy the process. Eating something you've grown yourself is unbeatable. I hope you're inspired to start your own Speedy veg patch. Share your progress with us and join our gardening community. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.